Hello, my babies. I'm sorry, dude. Okay. Hello, my babies. I am. What am I? I'm the universe manifested. I am consciousness experiencing itself. I am grateful, happy, energetic, awesome, uh, ready, all that good stuff. But that's just because I started wrong, I guess. Nobody wants to hear any random affirmation or some stuff. I did a video yesterday and I want to talk about it, or I want to post it. And I tried my best to be very like not really all over the place with my thinking. It was such a beautiful video. I haven't watched it yet. I think it was like 30 plus minutes. But it ended in a very beautiful way. Because as I kind of like progressed in my reasoning, I started slowly getting closer to like the understanding of how we kind of like feel patterns, see patterns, touch patterns, explore patterns, and the different basically like positioning and where you are when it comes to these patterns, or at the very least, like depending on your position, you see a pattern differently. But I'll think about it over, or allow it to simmer in my head for the next couple of like, let's just say days, and then I'll actually make a video that was the best way to explain it is, and I'll make a video that's human readable. All right. But today's video is the three types of error, basically the three types of failures, right? And I write it here: errors you expect, errors you find, and errors you look for. And here, the errors you expect are basically the errors that you're testing what it is, right? Like you're kind of like looking at something, and I also like, here what I do is there's error you expect, right? Testing what it is, and then here is basically exposure. It's like what does it relate to? And the way I see it is I see this, for example, a coffee cup, coffee mug. It's just a baby as a kid, it kind of like touches this and goes. So these are expected errors. These are like you don't expect them. You just expect errors to happen because you're approaching something very new, or you're exploring something new. So you're looking for failures, you're looking for mistakes, you're looking for something. It started with errors naturally because I was thinking of code, right? But it translates beautifully because like what we are actually doing is we're kind of like every error that we face is the difference. There's in code there's a difference with an error and a bug, and so an error is the error is us failing with, oh shit, man, I did not connect the Bluetooth. The error we have in code is us failing in syntax, which means we're failing in communicating with the computer how it understands our communication. That is basically what an error in the computer is when we're writing code. But an error with the but a bug is basically an error in our logical approach, which is basically like us telling the computer in the right way to do the wrong thing, right? Because if I want the computer to do, if I want to write a code that